Alright, so we're going to be removing all the plugs back here. We're going to start on the left side here and remove all these. And when it comes to this connector, the easiest thing to do is to push in on this clip from this side. For that I'm going to be using a pry tool, and if you just push in right here, pull up, it'll come right out. The other way you can do it is by getting this clip right here, which is very hard to reach, and even trying to get a pry tool in there isn't the easiest. So I always recommend going in from the side, and we'll show you the same thing on our connector as well. And we need to connect this one as well. We're going to be doing the same thing here we did with the female side. So you want to seat this, make sure it's level, and then you're going to push down on the lock. There we go. It's in place.